They're always doing some kind of construction. I can't stand this city sometimes. Do we think that this change was a little dangerous? Here we are with another crackerjack box driver. Like, bruh, what was you doing? You didn't see the car? And my thing is, you still needed to go that way. So why didn't you just slow down and wait? And then you don't bother to use the turn signal here. Use the turn signal, almost crash into somebody, not use the turn signal. Now we get down here and you want to turn all the way here. And there's a big sign that says no left turn. What kind of foolishness is this? He didn't even bother to use a turn signal. He was holding up the line and didn't bother to use a turn signal. Here's another crackerjack box driver. You already knew you was in the wrong lane, and then you just decided to cut somebody off because you were already in the wrong. I'm telling you, these people and these drivers, it's too much. It's opposite day. Red means go and green means stop. Great parking job. Excellent. So there's a big hand that says don't walk, and my light is green. Yes, hurry up, get out of my way. I don't understand. Why? Just make it make sense. I'm not exactly sure what to think of this. Everybody had a stop sign. I don't know where the miscommunication was. Can I say how much I don't like Uber or Lyft? So this guy waited till the last minute to put a turn signal on to get into the space. But as we started moving, he was trying to force his way in. I was like, oh, no. That doesn't work with me. Sorry. To the back of the line, sir. Drivers be doing the most. Sir, you have plenty of space. Just park. I don't understand people. I don't get it. Why would you be that far out into the street knowing that people would have to go around you? And now you about to block up the traffic for real. Pay attention. Like, why? Why? Yes, let's just walk into the street and not letting anybody know what you're doing and just be in the way. Yes. I want to be hit. I have bumpers on my ass. Just say no, people. Just say no. Leave it alone. Let it go. I have no words. Just watch. So we got hit in the Taco Bell drive-thru by the lady in the back. Hubby went to check it out, and she kept apologizing, but she wasn't paying attention. So I'm just like, I don't understand. How will you gonna hit me in the drive-thru? It's too late at night to be playing with remote control cars in the middle of the street. I'm just saying. Why everybody gotta make my job harder? I just want to get where I gotta go and get home. That's all I want to do. He's allergic to his turn signal. Why was it even necessary for you to make a U-turn in the middle of the street to park on this side of the street when there were plenty of parking spaces on the opposite side of the street? What was the point? And now I gotta wait for you because I can't go around you. And then you're scared because you don't know how to parallel park correctly. People, make this make sense. Now, this right here really burns my biscuits. I'm tired of people who ride bikes. I know I have to share the road with you, but you also have to obey the law. You know that you were supposed to stop and get in line with the rest of the cars, because that's the way you're supposed to ride your bicycle. You're supposed to ride it like a vehicle. And then, of course, I give you a wide berth to get out of your way. That is the proper way to ride your bike. As you can see right here, the road is closed. I saw that from a mile away. And this ninja took forever to get over, but he had already been driving slow the whole time. So I'm like, I need to get away from you. And I try. And being impatient, I ended up behind him anyway because I turned early, but the road that I turned on was closed. So now I'm stuck behind this ninja who don't know how to drive. And then this dude is making a left turn from a right lane. And then this lady ain't stopping. And this all happened in one trip, y'all. This is your public service announcement. Do not text and drive. It is dangerous. Here's some more people who think they got bumpers on their ass. I'm just saying. And now if I had hit you, it would have been a problem, right? This dude didn't want to stop. I'm telling you. I guess the gas guy didn't like the fact that I was riding behind him, so he pulled over. For what reason, I don't know, because I'm turning at this stop sign. If he had been paying attention, he would have seen that I had on a turn signal and known that I was not going to be following him up the hill. So, why? We just gonna call these folks crackerjack boxes because you had to have gotten your license out of crackerjack box. Why is it that y'all just don't know how to use a turn signal? You had to use it when you took the test, so explain that to me. First of all, he was slow. Speed limit was 25, he was going 10. And then on top of all that, he's from the crackerjack box crew. I have no words for the foolishness that you are about to see, but I am sorry because it hurts. Thank you for chilling and hanging with me during this adventure time. Drop me a box of popcorn down in the comment section to let me know you made it all the way to the end. Please drive safe, don't text and drive, and I will catch y'all in the next one.